Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting into the game with a stable connection and a visible booth. Once in, walk to your donation table and open your inventory so you can access the sign tool or item. Make sure you have permission to edit the sign or own the booth. If an item ID is required, copy it now. You do this so changes save immediately and you avoid interrupting donors later. Now proceed to the Sign Edit interface to place the numeric label. Next, enter the exact number you want displayed. Type digits directly and include a $sign if indicating money, for example $10 or $0. 5 for 50 cents, this tells donors the amount clearly. Once done, use spacing or a second line to separate amount from message. Short text improves readability. Make sure to preview the sign in-game to confirm sizing and alignment. If the interface truncates text, shorten words or reduce font size where possible to preserve the number. Finally, save your edits and step back to view the sign from player perspective. Confirm the number displays correctly and is legible at typical camera distances. If you can, test with a second account or ask a friend to confirm the amount reads as intended. This checks permissions and visibility. If the number does not appear, reopen the editor and retype it, or log out and back in to force a refresh. If problems persist, reposition the sign or contact server, moderators for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.